So before we can make our model, we need to get some images. So this is the batch download program that I've found that works pretty well. So let's go ahead and add that to Chrome. Great. Now you'll see over here in the corner, it's this little icon. So if we go ahead and search for, let's go cars on road, and go to images, we can see there's a lot of images of cars on the road. And this is just an easy way to grab a lot. You know, they're not great, but hey, it's really easy. So go over here and hit Fatcoon Batch Download, and we'll go to our current tab. It takes you to this new tab, and at this page is where you can see all the images that were on that page. And it shows me a good amount here. You can go ahead and select all of them, or unselect the ones you don't want. So I think that's a good idea to just do a high-level overview of things that are definitely not cars on a road. So yeah, just do a quick, looky look. Oh yeah, see, we don't want that. I don't really want these guys. That's not a car on the road. Okay, I think that's pretty good. And then you can go ahead and hit download up here in the top. You want to make sure that Chrome first, in your settings though, for what is it? Download. This right here. Ask where to save each file before download. If that's on, you're going to have a bad time, because every single one of those images, you're going to have to click a little box. So make sure this is off before you do it. Maybe do a small test to make sure that it works first. But then we can go ahead and hit download. I know that. Great. And you can see it just rapid fire going, and it's great. It's just going to continue to download all the images that we've selected, and it'll go ahead and even put them in a little folder for us when it's all done. It's great. So it's downloading a lot of images right now, but that's okay. It's what we want. Holy cow. There was a lot of images. Alright, it's all done now. And so my downloads, look, here's all those images for you. So now we have a whole bunch of cars on the road images. In fact, I wonder how many we have. So let's go to downloads, cars on the road. We have 703 items we just downloaded. So yeah, make sure you have quite a bit of room. But yeah, these are cars on the road. So if we want to detect a car in the scene, this will do it. You can do it for other things. But yeah, that's Fatcoon Batch Downloader. Real simple way to get a bunch of images from Google.